Hey everyone, it's me Caitlin and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another social media planner video and I guess debuting probably one of the first kits I've ever made. I'm not sure how this kit is going to work out just yet, but we are going to give it a try. The first thing I am doing is going ahead and laying down my social media labels. I am switching up the order for these. I'm not sure how I'm going to like it because I've been doing, I believe, website, Instagram, Facebook, and then down in this one. I'm not doing the website first, so this is going to be a real challenge for me to try and remember where I put these labels. Even though they're there, I know I definitely don't pay attention throughout the week, but we'll see. This week I did opt to keep out the Pinterest label, just because I really wasn't using that one too much. It's handy to have, but since I'm not really using it, I decided not to include it. I have to say I was pretty nervous going and using this kit. One, because I had never made a kit before, and two, because I had no idea how this was going to fit. And three, because I was afraid that I was going to go and do this. So this was a little short, but it's okay. It's my first time making this. It's my first run through, and that's why I'm testing it out before I even think of sending it out to anyone. So my goal for the weekend stickers was just to try and create something for this space, because I knew I wasn't going to use it so much because most of my work would be during the week. Because sometimes you just need a little something, and even if it's just used for regular or everyday planning, it's nice to have the decorations. I did add a top 3 for Saturday and Sunday, so it's cool. I did also create the box to go in the bottom right corner. It is a dot grid, and I did it in a lighter color so you don't really see it so much. And I think it's adorable. It's a little too big height-wise, but you know, it's all a learning process when you're trying to make a kit for the first time. So now what I am doing is going in with my ombre checklist. I am in love with these, and I'm really excited because it actually fit really well underneath my weekend box. So actually, if that's something that you might be interested in the kit, let me know. Maybe I'll just leave the weekend boxes that size and make it so that you can put little decorations underneath it. Let me know, because I kind of like it. I didn't really put a lot of stickers on this page just yet because I wasn't sure what I wanted to utilize this page for. So I decided that I wanted to go ahead and use the rest of the page, put on some deco, and how stinking cute is that? Alright, now that I have the deco done for now, I am going back in with the checklist stickers, and I'm just putting them down where I think I'm going to need them. Wednesdays are usually a more intensive day because I do try to get things done midweek so I don't have to do it on the weekend, and then sometimes Fridays get a little crazy. This week is another week where I don't really have too much planned, but I kind of want to give myself a guideline. It's definitely all a learning process with this planner. It's a completely new setup for me, it's a completely new setup for everyone else who might be using a social media planner, and I'm just learning as I go. I feel like that's one of the most important things that I can speak about in these particular videos, is that it's all a learning process and you're going to learn your process as you go. Right now I am switching it up left and right, and it's only my 3rd week using this, and so far, even though I haven't been using it as religiously as I should be, it has been helping me keep my mind in somewhat relative order. So what I'm doing for the bottom 2 rows of this particular spread is I'm really trying to create a pattern. I didn't really intend to go in doing a pattern, but I decided that it would look really good, just so I also had the checklist and also so that I can add more of these decorative pieces. And I think it looks really good by the end of it. For Friday, I knew I didn't want to use all of the full box stickers, so I did decide to throw in these half box stickers, which sounds absolutely crazy, but they are half box for this particular planner, and just so I'm able to write down a few more things that I might need to worry about. I don't necessarily need to use the checkbox stickers for everything, so the half boxes are perfect. Alright, I think I have everything down that I want to have down, so now I'm going ahead and starting to write in my plans for this week. Like I said, I'm kind of just winging it for this week. I'm hoping for July I have a better schedule, so it might be a lot of repetitive stuff, but at least I'll have a concrete idea of what I'm doing. I'm guessing that's why an editorial calendar is perfect for me, but we'll see. I will probably say this a million times. It is absolutely a process, and I am not perfect. This is a journey, and we're going to do it together if you want to join me. So there you have it. There is my finished spread for this week. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell notification button so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!